Good day everyone, I'm Ola May and welcome to my channel. Today I am unwrapping a collection that I have been looking over for a few months actually. I wasn't quite sure if this was a particular color that I would be able to pair outfits with, but it actually is, and it comes in a few silhouettes. It is currently on clearance, and that is a magic word and price, so I decided to take a chance on it. So this particular print, this is the silhouette, is the small hobo, the color brown. It only comes in one color, but this particular collection is called the Maritime Collection by Dooney Bourke. And this small hobo I thought was very pretty. I saw it on, I'm not sure whose channel it was, but they actually dressed it up with the purse chain, and it added to the look of the purse overall. But one thing I really like about this particular bag is the strap. Y'all, I think this strap is bad. It is so pretty. Let me make sure I'm getting it in the shot. And the edge, the glaze on the edges is like a pretty Bordeaux color, like a cranberry color too. See if this will come off, or if I have to unbuckle it. There we go. And it is adjustable, so I can take this particular strap and lengthen it some so that it can have a longer shoulder drop. I don't know if it is snugly in there to where I can. There we go. I think I'll have to figure out how to do this at another time, or it can't. Yeah, I may have dropped it a little bit too much. Let's see. Yeah, I'll try to play with it another time to see how I can adjust it on both sides. But I think I moved it. If I'm not mistaken, I think it was further down than that. I think so. I'll have to go back and look at the video. But this is the strap, y'all. This was one of the standout features of this bag that I really liked. I think it's very detailed. And I like that the middle part of the strap is wider, so it's gonna sit on my shoulder better. Let's see if I'll put this one. This was on the last one. Put this one on the last one too. But it's definitely a very detailed and pretty strap. The stitching is let me see without the flash. It looks like it's a gold stitching. On camera it may come up as yellow, but I think it's more of a gold stitching in the leather. And then the underside of it is more of a raw leather, but it's smooth to where it won't fray or anything like that. Okay, so the inside, we'll finish the outside. The outside, it does have this very light color vachetta or vaquetta, so I don't know how to pronounce that yet, y'all. Leather trim, and then it has the piping detail that goes all the way around the bottom. It does not have feet, So I definitely made an exception for this silhouette. The back side here is plain. And if you haven't seen it already, in this particular fabric, it does say Dooney Bourke in the fabric. So there's Dooney right there, Bourke. So it's continuous kind of throughout. It says Dooney Bourke. So I thought that was very pretty. In part of my research, I believe it was on QVC. They said that this was one of Peter Dooney's favorite collections and designs that he designed. So I thought this was a good piece to have. I did decide to get the satchel, the barrel satchel as well, and I'll video that one separately. I started to get the drawstring in it, but I kind of went back and forth on if I wanted the drawstring or the barrel satchel. So I went ahead and got the barrel one. So that will be, you'll see that in the upcoming video as well. And this is Accessory August, so I decided to get an accessory for it, which also affected my decision to get another silhouette, because why have the matching wallet and then just one bag? So I can still keep using the wallet. Oops, and it wanted to come on out, huh? I can still keep using the wallet and switch bags and still keep the same wallet to match. So this is the Maritime. I believe it is called the Continental clutch? It's not on here. But yes, I think it's the Continental clutch, the silhouette of the wallet. And we'll see if it's on anything in here. So the setup for this is the classic setup to have a space for a checkbook or bills there. It has an opening here. Card slots, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 card slots, including the one that's normally for your ID. And then another opening here. And let's see what this paperwork says. Oh, that's cute. They put a little fake check in here. And it just says brown. So it doesn't specifically say Continental, but I'm pretty sure that's the name of this silhouette. But look at that beautiful interior of the wallet to match the bag. So that should definitely patina over time. So I'm also looking forward to getting the barrel satchel as well, to have the full collection on my part. I still don't think, I'm still unsure about the drawstring, but I'm pretty sure about the barrel satchel. So I'll record that as well and show how the wallet looks beside that also. But I figured that this was a great addition to add, and it's definitely a pretty collection in print and color and fabric that I don't think has gotten enough credit. I don't really see it much, and I think it's been overlooked, y'all. So definitely check it out before it's gone. Like I said, it is on clearance. That is a magic word. And I think this particular bag was one of the Steals items, part of the Steals deals. So this one was really a good price. So check them out. Let me know if anyone already has this and they just hadn't shared it or anything like that. And if you do have it, comment below and let me know what you like about it and if it carries well and if you carry it often also. So this is again the Dooney Bourke Maritime collection, the small hobo and the Continental wallet. I hope you all enjoyed this video. This is again Accessory August, so beautiful accessories and anything that you can think of that you actually add to your bag to accessorize it. Feel free to share it all month long, and I look forward to seeing your videos. Thank you so much for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. I really appreciate it. I will see you all in the next video, and as always, have a wonderful day. Y'all, why y'all let me end the video without looking inside this purse? Alrighty, so we're going to go inside the purse because I don't think I did. I can't believe I just did that. So inside of the small hobo, I was so fascinated by the outside, I didn't look inside. That is funny. Okay, so it has a key keeper and a slip pocket on each side. So it has Dooney Bourke stitched, a stitched label of Dooney Bourke on the slip pocket. This is on the back side. And then on the front side, another slip pocket. And both pockets are trimmed in the same beautiful vachetta or vaqueta leather. But inside, it's pretty spacious. And let me put the Continental wallet inside as well, so you can get an idea of how much can fit in here. So this is not considered as a big purse, maybe more on the small medium side. But as you can see, it will hold a lot. So no exterior pockets or zippers or anything like that, just the two inside. But just with the Continental wallet itself inside, there's plenty of room for more. And I will see how it looks if I add my wristlet inside. And then that's actually kind of cute with this. So you can see it can hold a lot, y'all, and it's a good size shoulder bag. But like I said, it's not considered large. It's more on the small medium side. So I just wanted to add this on the end because I can't believe I did this whole video and didn't open up the purse. So there you have it. Now I can end the video again. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Have a wonderful day.